I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Bricksforge as a trigger. Click on the Fetch button and then fill out the Bricksforge form to trigger the data fetch. The form has been submitted successfully. Now return to your integration site and check the response. Here you can see that Bricksforge has successfully fetched the data. Set action. Search and select Action Nimble. Give here an API token, so please visit the Nimble API token. Generate new token. Give here a meaningful name. Generate. Copy the API token and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose an action. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features and actions you can use by checking the box. Also, you can add conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next, finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Now go to the Nimble site and go to People. Refresh the page. You can see the data came successfully in the Nimble site. Thanks for watching.